vegetables and spices. Alphabet. Welcome back to my channel Learn and Play with Chivashi. Please subscribe. A is for asparagus, asparagus, asparagus. B is for broccoli, broccoli, broccoli. C is for carrot, carrot, carrot. D is for daikon, daikon, daikon. E is for eggplant, eggplant, eggplant. F is for fennel, fennel, fennel. G is for garlic, garlic, garlic. H is for hot chili, hot chili, hot chili. I is for alphabet letters, alphabet letters, alphabet letters. J is for jalapeno, jalapeno, jalapeno. K is for kale, 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 kale. L is for leek, 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 leek. M is for mushroom, mushroom, mushroom. N is for Napa cabbage, Napa cabbage, Napa cabbage. O is for onion, onion, onion. P is for potato, potato, potato. Q is for queen letters, queen letters, queen letters, queen letters. R is for radish, 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 radish. S is for spinach, spinach, spinach. T is for tomato, tomato, tomato. U is for yup, 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 yup. V is for vanilla, 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 vanilla. W is for watercress, watercress, watercress. X is for exiligator, exiligator, exiligator. Y is for yam, yum, yum, yum. Z is for zucchini, zucchini, zucchini. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share. Bye.